Intel just scored a major win under the CHIPS Act, and it's shaking up how government partnerships with big tech might work. Intel announced it's amending its deal with the U.S. Department of Commerce, unlocking $5.7 billion in funding sooner than expected. By removing earlier project milestones, Intel gains more flexibility to push its chip manufacturing projects faster. Now, before we go deeper, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more straight-shooting updates on AI, chips, and tech infrastructure. Back to the story. This updated agreement keeps guardrails in place, meaning Intel can't use the funds for stock buybacks, dividends, or expand in restricted countries. But the real twist? The US government now holds a 9.9% stake in Intel after receiving 274.6 million shares, with the option to buy more later. In total, Washington's investment in Intel adds up to a massive $11.1 billion, combining this new deal with previous grants. It's all part of the CHIPS Act's mission to secure America's semiconductor future and strengthen local production capacity. Intel's finance chief said the equity stake is designed to help Intel retain control over its foundry business, a crucial part of the company's strategy to compete with TSMC and Samsung in the contract manufacturing space. But here's the bold takeaway. This isn't just about one company. It's a signal that the US government might start taking equity positions in more strategic tech firms, not just writing checks, but becoming actual stakeholders. That's a huge shift in how industrial policy and innovation funding could evolve. If you want to see how this plays into the global chip race and what it means for AI infrastructure, check out the related video in the corner. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more practical AI and tech breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.